Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to our amazing learning space. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey inside our bodies to explore some incredible internal body parts. Are you ready to discover the secrets that keep you running, jumping, and having a blast every day? Well, buckle up, because it's time for a fantastic adventure into the wonders of our inside. Heart. The heart is like a strong pump in your chest that keeps blood flowing all around your body. Lungs. Lungs help you breathe. They take in air, and from that air, your body gets the oxygen it needs. Kidneys. Kidneys are like filters in your body. They clean your blood, removing waste, and making sure the right amount of water stays in your body. Liver. The liver is a super helper. It helps process the food you eat and stores energy for when your body needs it. Stomach. Your stomach is like a bag that holds the food you eat. It helps break down the food into small pieces so your body can use it. Intestines. Intestines are long tubes that help absorb the nutrients from your food. There are two types: small intestines and large intestines. Brain. The brain is the boss of your body. It helps you think, feel, and move. It's like a supercomputer inside your head. Bladder. The bladder is like a storage bag for pee. When it gets full, you feel the need to go to the bathroom. Pancreas. The pancreas helps control the amount of sugar in your blood. It releases insulin to keep your blood sugar levels balanced. Spleen. spleen helps filter your blood and fights infections. It's part of your body's immune system. These are just a few internal body parts. Explaining their functions and importance in a simple and relatable way can help children understand the amazing machinery inside their bodies.